let's go.
Fall in the Yukon is a great time for berry picking. Tomohiro got me this beautiful birch bark basket. These are mossberries, also known as crowberries. We really like eating these, and many of them don't make it into the basket.
Whoa!
Someone has a sugar high.
Bear would ever hear you, Tomohiro.
How come?
You gotta be loud, like me.
Bear scat in the fall usually has berries in it. This one is old.
No bear.
We need to be cautious anyways.
Someone over here.
Oh, here comes Tenshi. We mostly pick crowberries today. We'll add them to our morning granola. On another occasion, we went to cut firewood. We stumbled upon a plentiful patch of cranberries.
Hey, Tomo, we're almost halfway. Got a full truck of wood and a full container of cranberries.
Back at the yurt, it's time to cook up some cranberry sauce. We'll put it on some fish I'll cook up later. We have 3 simple ingredients: the wild lowbush cranberries, orange, and organic golden sugar. Put them in a small pot. Cook the cranberries on medium heat until they burst. Turn down the heat and continue cooking until half the juice evaporates. I'm going to leave this on the wood stove while I cook the fish. It'll continue to cook here. This is whitefish that Tomo caught while ice fishing last spring. Garlic, herb salt, and a little olive oil. We recently built this sunroom where we grew some vegetables. Boiling some potatoes from the Yukon, and I'm gonna cook up some kale that we got from the garden. It's gonna be a great lunch. Okay, you ready for lunch? There's nothing like eating food gathered from the Yukon wilderness.